we have learned that we are stronger together. In the power of our unity, we initiate the movements which carry the code. In this moment of our merging, the portal to our collective dreamscape is activated. Together we enter. Together we move. There was a time when our kind could travel between dimensions with the power of a single movement. Now we must take back this rite and ritual, the chance for ourselves to transmutate, to change form, for our minds to enter the realm of potent possibility.